Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the water reflection effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to the special effects tab, video effects, light effects, scroll down to find the water reflections effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to use the player head to check out how it looks. That's absolutely fire. And then we're going to bring this effect to the end of the clip. And now, with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color of the effect. Honestly, I think having it at 0 is the best. We can mess with the twist of the effect. So, kind of, you see what happens to my body, gets contorted. The filter, the size, and the speed of the effect. You guys can really change these as you'd like and also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So, let's take a look at this effect. Absolutely amazing. I'm actually going to start using this effect myself. Well, guys, if this video is helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.